This is exactly what happens when you drink tap water or bottled water. Let's do a test. A rust test. Get a flask. Tap water. Tap water. Fill it up to the brim. You get alkaline, ionized water. Then we get a piece of rod in each of them. Then tightly close it. Yes, seal it up very tightly without air penetrating. And after 14 days or thereabout, we're going to see what happens to both brothers. You can see from the tap water what happens. And you see the ionized alkaline water, nothing happens. This is exactly what happens to your body when you drink tap water. Absolutely, there is no rust. No rust in alkaline ionized water. No rust at all. So, same thing happens to your body when you drink alkaline ionized water. Your body will be free from every free radicals that could cause harm and danger to your body.